In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Google Calendar. This powerful combination will help streamline your tasks and schedule, creating a more efficient workflow. Let's get started by heading over to the Asana platform. Once you're logged in on Asana, look to the upper right corner of your screen. That's where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see various options including settings, which is what we're interested in today. So go ahead and click on Settings. Now that you've opened the Settings menu, you'll be able to see multiple tabs. What we want to do next is navigate to the Apps tab. This tab holds all the integrations and apps that you can connect with Asana. The Apps tab is often filled with numerous options, but for our purpose, you'll want to find the See All Apps option and click on that to explore further options. Next up, you'll be greeted by a list of available applications that you can integrate with Asana. In order to proceed smoothly, head over to the search bar and type in Google Calendar. This will filter the results to show you exactly what you're looking for, saving you time from scrolling through countless app options. Upon finding Google Calendar in the search results, click on it to open the main page for this integration. You'll find some brief insights about what this integration entails and the specific features it provides. But we're here to get it set up, so let's move on to the next step by pressing the Install GCL for Asana button. This will launch the installation process. Once you click on the Install button, follow the prompts that guide you through the authorization required to connect Asana with your Google Calendar. Typically, this will involve signing into your Google account and granting permissions for Asana to access your calendar. Don't worry. This step is both secure and necessary to enable synchronization of your tasks and calendar events. After successfully connecting, your tasks in Asana should start appearing in your Google Calendar. It'll reflect deadlines, dates, and any changes made within Asana, providing you with a cohesive view of your commitments. This seamless integration ensures you never miss a beat, as your calendar updates in tandem with the tasks you manage within Asana. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Asana with Google Calendar. This integration will undoubtedly bolster your productivity and help keep your schedule organized, not to mention save you the hassle of manual entry. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more efficiency hacks just like this one.